Alright guys, you're welcome once again. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the ways that you can earn money on Binance for free. So in this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, like the video and hit the notification bell. It's a form of appreciation when you like the video, because I am dedicated to bring you videos, to bring you educational tips on how we can make money in the crypto system. We all know how it takes a lot of time to do all this research. Okay, so in today's video, I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm just going to go straight into the video. So when you have Binance account, what you have to do is to click here. Now Binance has made it simple that you just have to click on the simple end. Okay, we have ways that we can earn money here. So on the simple end, on this side, we are going to invest. Okay, let's say when you invest all these things, there are percentages that you will earn from this Binance earn. So they have the various cryptocurrencies here and the annual percentage. So on this side, the percentages that you are seeing here, this percentage is annual. So in annually, if it still remain days, that means the amount of money you invest, you get 10% of that amount of money. And this one, if it still remain the same in the next 1 year, that means you get 62% of your invested outcome. Let's say you invested $100, right, and it still remains the same for the next 1 year, which means you will get 62 US dollars to and add it to your $100, making 162 US dollars. And one of the things that you should know before you enter here is that it has what we call unstability. It's unstable. Okay, it's subjected to change every time. Before you even invest, they will tell you that it is subjected to change. It is not fiat money. Okay, and when you check this coin is currently at 900. So currently at 992. That means if it maintains at this level for the next 1 year and you invested $100, that means you should make around close to 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so on this one, I am going to invest on it today. So when you click on this like this, you could see that there is the daily real-time reward, how much you'll be making on your invested money. Okay, so let me go back and then show you some. So when you want to invest in it, maybe you don't have the currency, you need to check how much you want to invest in it, right? How much you want to invest. Say, let's say I want to invest 500 or 50 US dollars. I want to invest 50. When I put 50 on it, how much am I going to make? All right, so 50, that's 96.7. 96.7. All right, so I'm going to, then you go back to the platform. Okay, then you click on the sample, and okay, you go back and check how much you are going to make when you invest a 97, right? So remember, I copied 97, right? So 97, so this 97, then you click on earn. That means daily, on daily basis, this is how much you are going to earn, which is 2.64. So let me go back and put it here to see how much I will make for the 2.6, right? 2.6 on my daily basis. So on my daily basis, if I invest that $50, I am going to make 1.34. If it doesn't change. Okay, if it doesn't change, I'm going to make 1.34 every day. So in the next 30 days, if it still remains the same, I am going to make around $33 to 35 US dollars on my $50 investment. So with this, I am going to invest on it today. So if you don't have Binance account, I'll leave the link in the description section and you can join through that link. Okay, so today I am going to buy my USDT. Okay, I'm going to buy my USDT from I want someone who has traded much. So I think this guy has traded much, so I'm going to buy my USDT so that you all see, that I have zero on my USDT account here now. 500 is equivalent to my 40 USDT, right? So let's see. So I'm going to buy it here. So I just place the order on my P2P. So I have to view here. Okay, and then I have to go back and then allow my cash out. Okay, so I need to do this transfer. After making the transfer, I'll let you know. So now you can see that I finished buying my USDT, and I had 42.8. So I'm going to buy my hyper. Okay, I'm going to buy this hyper with 42. I'm going to buy everything. I'll get 81 points. All right, so I'm going to use the market order. All right, I'm going to use the market order, which is 546. So 42, it has decreased because of how the price has been increasing constantly. So let me just buy it and let's see. The order has been executed because there's too much liquidity. Okay, so now let me go back. Now let's go. I now have this coin here, so I have to go and invest it. Okay, and here the thing is, currently the price of the coin, where the coin is, if the price of this coin come down, I'll be on a loss. Yes, I'll be on a loss. So I pray the coin keep on going high. Okay, if the coin doesn't comes down plenty, that means I'll still make more profit. So I have 74, so let me just put max, which means I'll get 2.0 every day. So I'll go back and then I will try it. That's 2.0, which means I'll get $1 every day. $1 if the price of this coin remains the same or it move up. This is how much I'll be making every day. Okay, before you do this, you should know the risks of crypto. Although this is profitable, but it's not risk free. Yeah, it's not risk free. You see that currently the price just decreased. Okay, so if the price keep on decreasing, you may end up losing part of your crypto. Okay, you may end up losing part of it. So let us invest it. You see that as it comes down, this coin too, it keep on decreasing. So let us invest it. Then we have to put it on flexible mode. Okay, it's on flexible mode so that we can withdraw it anytime we want. So I click on confirm. Okay, so from now, whatever I want, I can withdraw this from tomorrow up to going, and even if I want, I can withdraw it anytime from now. So that is how to invest it. You can see that due to the price decrement here, it just decreased by 50 cents. Okay, so this is how to go by it. And then I will urge you to go for coins that are normally stable. Okay, to go for stable coins so that you will not lose much of your money, like this one. So like this one, if you get like 100 USDT, that means you will may make around, this one hasn't come, it should have shown how much you should have made per year. That's like 1 cent. Okay, 1 cent. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.